Hi guys, today we are here Hi guys, today we are here to see the forest and a lot of things actually, but we are going to see some beautiful places and have a nice time. It's a bit chilly, but I'm really excited to be here, and it's my third day in Korea this time. We have been to two other places, one in Seoul and one is Gangwon-do, and this is a little bit far than Gangwon-do, but it I think falls under the same city. So yeah, let's go. Let's see the place. Wow, look at that. So pretty. We went to the Buddhist temple, which was really calming and peaceful. We had this amazing gentleman who was our tour guide. And I've been to Buddhist temples before, I've been to temples before, but the best part was because you guys had organized, this tour guide for me. Now we are going to the temple and we are gonna meet some monks and see the beautiful temple. Oh my god, look at those kids.
It is you can read the character is Chinese character.
Oh,
Yeah, the meaning is King of the Heaven. King of
okay. Look at that.
Here is the four characters. Yeah.
They soldier and fight the enemies
Yeah.
who invaded the Buddha's world.
Well, you can see some of the decorations on here
Yes.
for the purpose of celebrated Buddha's birthday.
Oh. 감사합니다. And write it on this. आज डेट की है ना 6th April. So there's a new place that they're making, the temple that they're making right now. So they have these pieces that they're going to put later and fit it inside. So they are allowing the people to contribute to the temple, and that's why I wrote my family's name, me, dad, mom, and this is my pet Sindra. And I wrote down my wish, which is very simple: peace, love, happiness and health, and where we are from and the day. So it's really nice that I can always come back here and be like, a piece of my heart is here, you know. It'll be really special. So yeah, Theba! गाइस, हम जहाँ पे हैं अभी, ये जो फॉरेस्ट है ये बहुत ही पुराना है. तो मेरे साथ जो है वो यहाँ के बहुत पुराने टूर गाइड हैं, एंड वो हमें बता रहे हैं इस जगह के बारे में कि ये जो पेड़ है कब आए थे और कैसे यहाँ ये जो जगह है कितनी स्पेशल है, क्योंकि ये बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल के बीच में आता है. एंड ये जो टेम्पल भी है वो भी बहुत पुराना है. इनफैक्ट कोरियन वॉर में वो पूरा मतलब ख़त्म हो गया था. फिर एक जेंटलमैन जो कोरियन एयर के मालिक हैं, उन्होंने वापस बहुत सारे पैसे डोनेट किए और ये फिर से ये मंदिर बना. 1960s में एक्चुअली वापस बना. तो वही ये मुझे समझा रहे थे बहुत अच्छे से. उन्होंने मुझे सारी कहानी बताई, क्योंकि अगर आप एक जगह में जाते हैं आप अज्यूम करते हैं कि ये जगह में ये हुआ होगा वो हुआ होगा. तो उन्होंने मुझे पर्टिकुलरली सब बताया कि सारी चीज़ों का अर्थ क्या है और कौन सी चीज़ें क्या सिग्निफाई करती हैं, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। I learned so much today, so thank you so much. I did.
You student and teacher.
Yes, thank you. And then we left from there, and then we went to this ranch. And the best part was we went from seeing like summery spring beach to suddenly snowy mountains, and that was really amazing. So pretty, the view is unreal. It's much colder here now.
우리 강남 시티.
In front of us, over the hill area,
Yeah.
it is the sea area.
Oh.
Now it looks like a cloud, right?
Yeah.
This is the sea.
Oh yeah. I went there, we all went there, we could see big giant windmills. They were like, I think 60 meters tall and 40 meters, the wing was like 40 meters. I was like, what? It looked like dinosaurs, like genuinely. बेसिकली ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग होती है। ये जो विंड मिल्स हैं ये भी बहुत सालों से यहाँ पे है। ये जो आप लैंड देख रहे हैं ये पूरा ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग करते हैं, इधर कोई भी फर्टिलाइज़र यूज़ नहीं होता है। एंड वो मुझे समझा रहे थे कि कितने सालों से ये खुला है। आई थिंक 1972 से ये जगह खुली हुई है। यहाँ पे शीप आती है, जितने एनिमल्स है सब ओपन रहते हैं। अभी नहीं है क्योंकि अभी समर नहीं है, बहुत ठंड है, ग्रीन ग्रास भी नहीं है तो वो आते नहीं है। बट वो बहुत मेंटेन करते इतनी बड़ी जगह को। ये हेड हैं जो हमें यहाँ सारी चीज़ें दिखा रहे हैं और बता रहे हैं। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ की, क्योंकि ये सारी जगह मैंने देखी ही नहीं है पहले कोरिया में या कहीं भी एक्चुअली। आई हैव नेवर बीन टू अ ranch before, so it's really interesting and exciting to be here. I'm like learning so much. And also these mountains, like, looks like a painting. I think I remember seeing a painting of like windmills and stuff, and अभी सच में दिखाई दे रहा है, वो भी snow spring time पे। Like how? Apparently इस बार इतना snow हुआ था कि अभी तक पिघली ही नहीं है। So really cool.
Very special treatment to take them here.
And they perform as well, and I was like, oh, maybe they'll not perform right now because it's not the season. And then they specially got the shepherd dogs for us to meet them, and they also performed for us, and that was like a really special memory. So I'm very thankful to the place, to the people who made me feel like I am from there. So that made me feel really welcome, really happy. My heart is so happy being here. 강원도 좋아요. Yeah, now we go higher. Oh my god, these people look fake. See? They're sitting so straight.
They're funny. Yeah.
Why are they sitting like that? Almost 7 kilometers of cable car. And see guys, I've been to places where there's cable cars. I've been on top of the mountains. 7 kilometers of cable car, never done that before. Yay, we're there! Finally and safely. Oh, that's the skywalk. See where we are going. Then we reached that place, and then we went to the skywalk, and then we were walking to the skywalk, and the edge of the skywalk is just grills. So people were avoiding to go on the grill because they were like, oh, this is